Hello everyone, today I am going to do another sandbox tutorial with my brother or twin here, Tobias.
Hello.
Today we are going to show how to make an NPC spawner. So Tobias, would you like to show?
Boop, boop.
That just make an NPC. So I'm going to show you how you make that. Just make him die in the lasers. I'm going to show you how to make this and what you need.
Alright.
So first, we will need an NPC. Then we will need any type of blocks, and we need a door. So I'm gonna do it as metal, since I'm gonna do it in a lab. Now, then after that, we need trap blocks. It has to be the same material. That's important. Now, let's get started. So first, we will need to make a base. That should do it. Now, after that, we need to make our own base at the top. Then we need to get 2 doors. Make sure the handle is facing there.
If not, this will happen. It won't open.
It won't open if it's not like that.
Because you can't open like this. If you do it at the end, it will open.
That's right. Now we need,
An NPC.
not yet, a door here. So 2 doors facing, an NPC in the middle. But you can't, if people can't do this, that's because they haven't bought VIP. You can buy VIP at the bottom right. Once clicked, it will show you this. You can buy 4 of them, or you can buy more for a donation. Backed on. Now we have our NPC here. You can name it using the config tool. Click on this and you can name. Now let's go. Just name him Tester. There we go. Now we need to get our trap blocks and put them here. So it's a decoration. And then we need to put it to 3.4. So each time the door closes, the trap block will appear. So like this.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that was too long.
Yes. Made it.
But the problem is,
It won't
respawn back.
So the thing is, you have to kill it. But then the problem.
Because we need to spawn the block and kill it, do all over again. But we could just use our handy tool, expand block, so we can drop, or we can move, or expand the block. That will make it fall to its death. But we won't be doing that. We're just showing you how to make an NPC spawner. Now, it won't work if you stand on it, because the hitbox, or the box of opening the door, is at the bottom right here, as you can see, right here. If we just go away, it will touch the floor. So that's why we can't touch here. We need to touch here. Now, it is quite annoying for this door to go up. So to fix that, you could get glass and put that right here. Just put that 2 and then move that up 1.5 blocks. Expand that to the top. Now we should not have any problems of getting the door down. I mean getting the door up. Up. I don't think we need that. Yeah, I think that causes that.
Still.
Oh. Oh. Well, I think you need to put the slope here, make that 2, make it 1.5 pixel down. I mean block. Expand that there. Now every time that should go down.
Yeah, but this time, if we keep walking, like if we keep on walking or jump over it, people can access it left, right, and do something. So all you have to do is to cover it, put it in 2, and put it like this so they can't go over it. That is supposed to happen.
Just make sure you hit the middle instead of the sides, because if you hit the sides, one's gonna activate, and we don't want that. We just want to hit the middle. But hello. And boom. That's how you make your own NPC spawner. Let's test it out. Alright. Spawn in the NPC. Actually, don't spawn it in yet. I want you to spawn it in now.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. That just fell. Now, I don't want this NPC anymore. It looks disgusting.
Okay, one more try.
Okay, one more try.
Okay, delete it.
Alright. I don't want this NPC, so I'm gonna have to drag or remove that block underneath so I can kill it. And that's done. But the one that I'm using, which is here, you could see that I'm using a laser, so that should delete properly.
Here's a showcase of it.
Now if he moves that blocks,
Boom.
it's gonna go down to the black or trap block, and then set that to 0 so it won't even activate. And then go to this laser that will instant kill it.
Here's another example. Again. Chop the heads off.
Just like that. Alright. You can see the witness point now. Alright. Expand that. Okay, I will do it then. As you see, you can't see anything underneath there, so it's like a mystery. But if you go in it, it'll kill you. So be careful of that. Alright, that's the end of the tutorial. We should say that I hope this will help you on your builds. And see you next time. Goodbye.